Traders. So yesterday we was talking about this oil sell here things, and now all the way what was happened today. Super nice take profit hit. Major high rejection. Behavior was strong because we break the low, retest and start breaking the lows, and today take profit hit. Absolutely beautiful. Major highs back to the major lows. So let's see what the price action is bring tomorrow. This trade is done. So right now only thing what we can see here is our previous strong rejection place is here. So market can go retest back this place and start breaking the lows. Or we have this rejection here too, the original one. We get rejected, didn't break the lows. Here we started breaking some lows and ding, boom. So that's the now original, this structure here. So that's the original high on this structure. And that's the original low on this structure. If the price want to go higher, keep this zone in your mind, because we have huge rejection here. Or when the price start going lower, we have to keep mind the breaking structure, because the price can go easily above that and just fake out, and the price start going bounce, and then ding dong, no problem. But just small information. There is no more information, and this zone is almost, because we already made what this zone is, we created and then we respect it. So right now that's only information is our high, low, and we have to keep mind when the price wanna go higher. When we go higher like that and we have nice like this body candlestick here and going above it, there can be option to go higher and higher. But where we have wick here and candlestick body close, let's say this previous structure under, let's say like that, and candlestick body close under, the price wanna go still lower. Ding. Gold, yeah, gold just give up today. Look at that. We're gonna bring ding this one here. What you see what that price is doing? We have our equal lows here, and the equal lows are holding price up. So now the second retest here, we get mostly we get the strongest energy to start breaking this high here, and what the price action is doing, get rejected and down. Price actually break the lows, didn't break the highs. Price was going back to the same high, make the equal high, and the same principle, but now 180 opposite sides. We get the strongest energy here to start breaking the lows, and what the price is doing, breaking the lows. Very beautiful. Now pullback back to the highs and then gone. Very beautiful, very beautiful. If you're patient, let's say if you're patient, there is here we have very clean entry. We close under the minor holder, what was holding the price up here, and what we see, price is close under, and now we have this retest here, go back to the lows, for example. So now we create Yeah, because we get here information, here we get the the strongest information, and then we have the pullback, and then you are looking for your entry. Because in that moment it wasn't still clear if the price want to go lower or not, but now we made this movement and break the previous lows. Now is the pullback movement, and now you zoom in to find your opportunities. For example, yep, there is an example here, stop loss week high, and then back here. One opportunity, if you delete this one, we can have, let's say, I think it's too fast to take this entry, but you can take, but the one thing, if you want to take this entry, your stop loss is huge, because the candlestick going up all above here, your risk reward ratio is that case 2.7, still very solid. Can we have Fib trades? Doesn't look very Fibonacci here. Yeah, if you're trading the Fibonacci here, you get stop out. Here is some kind of behavior too. Soon as when the price gets stopped out, what was happening, we have very strong rejection downsides. It wasn't beautiful, but let's see, can we find another Fibonacci here to there? We actually have 618 retest here, very spiky one. Soon as when we create the low, price was going straight back up. Interesting. Yep, we have very good opportunities here to take short. Everyone who is trading here have to take their own responsibility here. But remember when I say yesterday, when you see these rejections left, rejection top, and rejection on the right sides, it shows us to bearish pattern. Gold is still bouncing here, ding 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 ding. Now we break the lows first time. Now we break the lows first time. Bitcoin, what was happening here? Bitcoin hit 100,000. It's pretty awesome. It is super awesome. I remember back in the days, it was 2000. I'm just gonna go monthly right now, and I remember it was actually go weekly. The price was back here, in somewhere here, 2000 or yeah, 2023. Price was here, and I was thinking, I was trading somewhere here, and I was thinking to take the trade and just hold all the way up to the 100,000, but I didn't do it. But I remember that idea I have in my mind. But yeah, it is 100,000. What? Beautiful. Beautiful. Price hold the lows, break the, if you look here, we break the highs. We have nice retest here. Price is going, break the previous highs and just going more. Continuation pattern. And price is gone. Very strong movement. If you look in the highs, price was breaking every single one, every single highs. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And then if you zoom in, we have breaking structure, we have W inside here. Everything is very bullish. First of all, the first bullish information what we have is price holding the lows. Then the second bullish information what we get here was we break the highs. and now price holding the lows, break above it, retest, and price is breaking this low, this high, this one, and this one, and this one too. Every single one. Price go above it. We have a little bit deeper pullback. You know, kind of a break it, but it wasn't breaking structure. If you're looking the Fibonacci, look at how beautiful that thing is. So sharp, too sharp even. And then continuation pattern, W inside, beautiful. And but yeah, Bitcoin hit 100,000, absolutely beautiful. Doom. Dow Jones, so spiky. And the price is super spiky. I'm not gonna trade, it's too spiky. So the price is retesting this high is here right now. What the Fib is doing, let's take the last structure low, structure high here. Oh, look at that, stop out. And the price, we don't have very strong movement here. But if you're looking the behavior inside, price want to do the bullish pattern here, but it's getting rejected. So idea is go boom. It's forming something, but something what is, you know, it's like it's not good there. And we have very strong rejection here too in the highs. Very strong rejection, and this area is anyway all these rejections above it here, not very beautiful. GJ, what, so beautiful. GJ Fib, beautiful behavior inside here. Look at this ding 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 ding. What was happening next candlestick? Above the highs, and then we have retest on the 618. So beautiful. And currently take profit 3 hits, almost take profit 4. Very beautiful. And what was the major information when the price was breaking ding 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 all those highs here? Price is very bullish, and you're understanding if the price want to, you know, the first information what we get, the price is breaking the highs, but now we have to realize if really price actually gonna hold that, because when the price is back to the highs we get, you know, strong movement downsides. But that's why it's the Fibonacci, we have this tool, and now we see this very beautiful reaction there. What is very, very beautiful. Super good buy opportunities, very, very good ones. If you're looking the actually behavior here, look at how the price is breaking all the highs, holding the lows, retest and going higher. Bitcoin price is breaking the highs and going higher. GJ is doing the same. Then silver same. Silver is doing the same, breaking the highs, holding the lows, going higher. Every USD exactly the same. We break all those highs here, holding the lows and going higher. Every single one. Every USD major information, breaking the highs, holding lows, going higher. Silver, same thing, major information, breaking the highs, holding lows, going higher. GJ, same, breaking the highs, holding lows, going higher. Bitcoin same. Interesting, there is some similarities there. Let's talk about our USD. Same thing, major information, ding ding ding, all those highs are now breaking. What what we're gonna look is the pullback. Price is now here. If you zoom in, what is the first thing I want to show you? So what is the first behavior inside here? What can you see something here? For me, it's gonna be this first rejection high here. What the price is going, then price is going back here, ding, 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 and now what was happening? Price is breaking, ding, 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 all those highs, every single one. Now what you can do is, yeah, we can use this one. It's much cleaner right now. And what you see here, price is shifting, going above, break the highs, retest, retest, and just so beautiful, and going higher, just beautiful. Price is respecting the bullish principles, creating the bullish pattern, and just gone. And if you're looking the retest points, how many retests we have? We have one retest, second retest, third retest, 4, all those retests, and price didn't break the lows. Everything super bullish, especially after this one when the price is shifting and we make this W pattern. What is following the principle? We break the highs, retest, break the highs, retest, break the highs, retest, and then we have a little bit consolidation, but then price is going super beautiful. Those are the details what we have to remember. We have to build this thing in the muscle memory and keep things super simple. Sometimes you can think now, okay, but why, let's say if you bring this one here, like this one now here, and now you say, okay, this zone is pressing heavily downsides, and now you're kind of like, oh, maybe price is now going downsides. Of course there is, for like right now, let's say this close under, it's a very bearish one, but we have to understand this movement is creating inside here. And what is this one? That's the minor information. But if you zoom out and look in the major information, what we see, this strong W pattern still holding the price up, and what we see here, the major information, we break all the highs, every single one here. So to take this sell here, why not? But I'm not recommended, especially after when the price is holding the lows. The price is holding lows very beautifully, and now we have the major breaking structure upsides. So in that case, I will be very patient here and looking the shifting points and something what is exactly, if you go to this one, exactly this price action here. Entry points, all those here is right now your entry point after that W pattern. In that case, let's see how our stop loss was holding. Break, retest. So right now our stop loss is kind of a tricky one because we don't have any wicks. No wick, and first wick is here. Most likely if you don't have wicks, the safest point is to put under this wick here, but you can put here too, or something like that if you want to go super crazy. But it's just for own, that's to find those stop loss areas, you have to have experience behind it, years and years experience. For right now, to be super safe is this one. And where is our take profits? So when we break we break those highs here, where is our new high? So there is something. Let's say take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. Very beautiful take profit areas. And that's your take profit here. Super beautiful 4.8 risk reward ratio trades. And if you want to hold more, no problem. 6.5 and 7, no, 8. And this thing is doing almost like the Bitcoin. We have this continuation pattern. This rejection is crazy here. Like we have very strong wick here. Kind of interesting. Yeah, very beautiful. To understanding this kind of information is what is doing the major information. Major information is breaking the highs and holding the lows. So as soon as when we break this high, so right now if you want to take the sell here, your sell has to be entry point, breaking structure, retest here. So your take profit is here. That's your only take profit place. And your stop loss gonna be, let's say here. But the thing is, when the major information is breaking the major highs, so what is the reason to price now going back to the major lows? Doesn't sound quite right. Most likely in that case, patient, and then you see how the market is turning around and holding. It's very beautiful behavior here and respecting the bullish principles. Very, very beautiful. Dun, dun, dun. Nasdaq. Allow this hangman. Rejection high. Strong rejection high here. So we break the highs and then ding, price is going back to the rejection equal lows here, and then price is breaking the highs. So in that case the principle was price is very bullish to go back in this area. But just I don't know, just price just give up almost. Very manipulated, because look at how fast it's just one candlestick. Manipulation there. And Dow Jones, yeah, Dow Jones is doing creating here, but very similar reaction what the Nasdaq is doing here. Dow Jones there, something's going on. They're not moving very greatly, it's just very strong rejections. So we have rejection to going down, we have rejection to go down, we have rejection to go down, and then we have rejection to go up, rejection to go up, rejection to go up, and now we have rejection to go down and rejection to go down. Too spiky for me. Very, very impulsive. Let's see what this do. GJ is right now trying to do very similar thing here. We're creating, if possible, we create W pattern here, start going higher. Where is this point here? Oh, very closely. It's possible now to go back in this place, because that's the overall movement what was happening here. So this minor structure here, this structure here is pushing price back to the highs. That's what I want to do, and the high is here. Oil, so beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I like these trades, just pure patience. Otherwise, nah. There's so much information with this one area. What I was talking about yesterday, it's just incredible, and it's all supporting. But Bitcoin 100,000, what? So awesome. Yeah. Dun. Even Bitcoin is kind of creating the top pattern here. Very similar. There's so many similarities in this last few weeks. What the price action is doing and reflecting. Even this one, look at that. We have the bigger W pattern here, and we have the small W here. It's all very similar this here. Something is going on. How we break this one here. Let's take something new. Oh, what's that? Ooh. Something what we never. Okay, I'm looking something what I'm never even look at. Like, let's say New Zealand dollar. Yeah, New Zealand. Maybe I'll look some back. Euro, Great British pounds. Use this. Definitely, I never look euro Japanese yen. I'm 100% sure of that. Okay, let's look what this behavior is doing. Let's learn. But that's something else. Canadian. Okay, boys, I lost it. Dun. New Zealand. Swiss franc cap. Let's do that. What that is exactly like the GJ is doing. So we break the highs, we have the fee retest with this beautiful W structure here. Amazing. It is 100% same like the GJ. We have this first movement. Oh, what? That was the first pattern what we break here. So we have these rejections, a little bit delayed, ding. Then we have the first movement, pullback, second movement, retest, movement, and now breaking higher, exactly like GJ. We have this first one here, boom, second one, retest one, and price is going higher. But this moment here, we have a little bit different W pattern here, but this W pattern is so beautiful here. It's even too beautiful. It's just even too beautiful. Price is creating the continuation pattern right now, with holding the lows, and again we have this W here. We have this W pattern here. Okay, let's take something where is no Japanese yen. Let's go somewhere down here. Maybe there is something what people not using. Poland. What? I didn't know even you can. It is Poland? I think it is Poland. Hong Kong dollar. What? I didn't know this thing even exists. What's going on here? Let's see. Ooh, spiky. What is that? Damn. Okay, let's see, can we find something? Very noisy. That here is bearish pattern, and price respecting the lows and break the highs. Like this mass here is a bearish pattern. Here we have, that's awesome here. Very clean one, very clean one. Breaking structure, ding 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 ding, and gone back to the lows. But again, this price action is very, it's not familiar for me, not at all. It's the same thing what I've been saying. Every market is different behavior, every single one. That's why if you're a beginner, just focus in one market, because if you look in those, how to say, all the time different markets, you are creating the noise there. Because let's say gold is respecting that pattern in that way, and now you're going in oil, and you have the same things in your mind, but oil is actually disrespecting, and now you take the Dow Jones, what is respecting again, and now the GJ, what's disrespecting, and your mind is so lost and you don't actually realize those things in the beginner state. But this behavior is so new for me. I have kind of nothing to say here, to be honest. It's so new. I feel, if I'm looking right now this one, I'm feeling kind of beginner myself right now. Oh, we have this. Oh, we have first W here. Super beautiful W. Break retest, go back highs, ding 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 ding, and it's going. Here we get. You see how you see how the noise is getting in the market here. So the market is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Anyway, let's find something. Give me a sound. Even the candlestick looks a little bit. What's that? USD South. 100%. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Look at all those lows. You see how the shift is happening here, how the market is shifting here, and then price holding lows, holding lows, holding lows, and now we have the breaking structure retest. The market is back to lows here. Very bearish. But the market structure is already clean. I can understand the market structure here. Same thing. We create our first high. Market is back to the highs, and what we see, very similar thing. What was talking here. We have the left rejection, we have the top rejection, and now we have the right rejection. And again, that's the bearish pattern. And now price was going back to the lows. Retest, price back to lows, and now prices we get here back to the lows. First rejection point, and then ding, 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 ding. Here we have pattern above it. What is that pattern? We have ding, ding. And pattern breaking, retest, back to the lows, complete. Pattern is complete. Very beautiful. I like this behavior. Let's see. So the bigger pattern here is, again, here we have the first original highs, lows. Price is breaking here, create the low, retest back here, and then price going back to lows. And now we have this first rejection, price is back to lows, going back to the rejection highs, and then these rejection highs are staying here a long time, and now this one actually gets rejected here. That's why we create this bearish pattern here, because we get rejected on this first original highs. Okay, let's do one more. One more. Let's do something Euro USD. Great. Something what loads of people definitely trade, like USD, Swiss franc, New Zealand, Australian, Great British pound, Canadian, Euro USD, and Great British pound. Ooh, that can be interesting. I want to see what is dominant here. Ooh, spiky one. Let's zoom in. That's the retest, the GJ retest. Remember when the GJ was retesting with the M pattern here? M pattern, break it, retest, and price is going back. These lows and even original lows here. The same retest here, what the price was doing here. That's the same one what the price doing here right now. Price was going back to lows, GJ price was going back to the lows. So the GJ is British pound actually is reflecting through the euro and British pounds a lot. Even the patterns are the same, but the different places, very different places, because right now the lows are here. It's not super clean. GJ was much cleaner. Yeah. Let's do this one, Australian, Canadian. Who was here? Who was here? This one. Gold like to do the same thing. We're gonna push the highs. We have structure here, and then we're gonna mirror the whole structure down, and price is box inside the box here. Look at how look at how interesting. So what we see first, we have the bearish pattern first, M pattern. What's the next pattern? Huge W here, and going under the W holder. What's the next pattern? Ding ding ding, W. And the last pattern what we have is M pattern, with actually breaking retest and going now. So we have, it's so awesome how to, you see that we have the first one here, second one, third one, and fourth one. You see how they all are kind of fighting each other here. Bearish one, bullish one, bullish one, bearish one. They're all fighting inside here. Who is gonna win? Who is gonna win? Who is gonna win? And then bamake, we have very impulse movement downsides. Those are the kind of details what we have to realize. We have to see those things, because what you see now here, the last moment before the action, what we have very strong. It is very strong bullish pattern, to be honest, this one here, because we're going back to the equal highs and kind of break it, and we have very impulse movements. Now we have the retest, and what is the retest? We have to start breaking the highs again. We have to break it, because that's the principle. And what we see, we have impulse movement now, and the price is creating the M pattern, what is the bearish one, and boom, break it. We have retest, break it again, retest, and price is gone. Gives us even a little bit clue here the bearish hammer, strong bearish hammer, no weak downsides and huge weak upsides. Just if you, how to say, if you're too emotional person, you're never gonna able to gather this kind of information what was happening here, because you see this candlestick maybe already here, and you start buying most likely. Where is, oh no, where is all my, how I can delete it, why are you gone, where is my deleting here, gone somehow. Oh, anyway, so most likely what you can do here, let's say if you're just following your own emotions, you start buying here most likely, and then your stop loss is gonna be here. That's what I can see maybe right now. And if you're too emotional, you take your trade out basically after this one here. You take your trade out, I'm pretty sure of that, or this one here. But let's say if you just, you know, hold more, then price is going a little bit minus, you're most likely going to take your trade out because you cannot hold the minus, and maybe price is now going back here, you want to buy again, and then you get straight minus, you're going to take your trade out maybe or something, and then you see this one, and then you maybe want to buy again, and then you're lost, your mind is full of noise, and then maybe you start buying again up here because you see how the price want to go higher, and now price is creating the bearish pattern and going down. It's just, that's why I've been talking about day one, the gathering information. It's very, very important. Exactly. This is very good example here. But why I cannot remove? Oh, here. What? Oh, it's something new here. Some kind of update, I think. So what we have, look at this low here, break above, break these highs. One thing what I can say here too, what we have to zoom in and a little bit realize and give it time, is the structure. So what is the structure? Right now the structure is down here. That's our structure. That's the top and that's the bottom. Let's do this one. That's the bottom, that's the top, and that's the new structure, because we have the breaking structure here. Ooh. Because we have the breaking structure here. But now how we can see if price really want to go higher? So now he is here, is, if you look in this one, all those highs here. Ooh. And now above, this is just, we're gonna take this high here because that's almost like no high. So the idea is we have all this movement to break these highs, and now we have this empty space, let's say here. That's our empty space. But if you see the candlestick, what is gonna soon break this high, that means it's very strong. It is a very strong, especially after the one and the second candlestick already close all these movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlestick with 2 candlestick, and we break the highs. It's happening everywhere all the time. Can we find a good example for somewhere? Where is the good one? So now that's not best one. Here is the idea is same, but the structure is, and you see this one here, we have this empty space and we have all those candlesticks here, the highs, and we can say this one here is breaking and going. So it shows to you we are a pretty strong one here. And we have even fee pretest here, but can we found a good information here? Oh, like this one is good. So now we see this week we don't take this one, and now we take all those week highs here all the way down. And what you see, this price action was breaking the week high, and we have this empty space now here. Price is making a pullback, very similar like this one, reflecting, and now price is gonna break this zone. It's a very similar, and this happens so many times, especially when the price want to go higher and higher. Right now, very beautiful 618 retest here, and then you have another 618 retest here. Both 618 is reflecting in same place, and every single one get take profit for it, every single one. Absolutely beautiful, very beautiful. And this information is for scalping 100%. And I see so much that, and the thing is, we have this one movement downside here, and the price is gonna go like almost in hunt to hunt this last week high, what was here, the last week high, and now price is going hunt this one. We see then pullback and going back hunt this high here, and it's happening a lot. Let's say for look at this one. It's not the beautiful one, but kind of same thing. We have this empty space here. You know, we didn't break it beautifully, and we have the break instruction down. But look at this one now, how the price just shoot back up, close above it, and then we have the retest, and then price is going higher. Can we find better one? Idea is same all the time, just the market is all the time different. And I see this thing a lot, a very lot, especially when the price want to go higher. And what huge movement. But they definitely make your own development around that, because when the price is making this first movement, we get some kind of structure information, and we see the structure really wanna go higher. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this one. What's happened here? Bitcoin is just fall down below 100. Wait. Look at this one. Exactly what just we talked about. This Bitcoin is starting mirroring the movements. We have to push up and then mirroring movements. Can we find some structure here? Oh, one sec. The first structure what we see, M pattern, breaking structure retest, but we kind of didn't break like low strongly. The next one is very minor W here, like very minor, going higher. 1, 2. We have this one here, W. We fail to break the highs, and we get downside here, break lows, and look at this W fails here, the same W what we just talked a little bit before. This W here things, and you see how the W is failing, close under, exactly what was happening here, close under and break the lows again. Yeah, some bearish momentum kick in here in the minor patterns. Gold, same thing, we break it. It's not, sorry, I was thinking the price is here, and now I see this pattern first, and price didn't hold this one to go higher, but price is right now down here making this W here. What is the Fibonacci? I want to see the Fibonacci. We don't have very beautiful Fibonacci here, but let's see. Okay, we have the low and we have the high here, and now we have first touch here done. But look at how the, okay, I actually remove everything. Let's zoom in here perfectly. Let's see what the price is doing, because there's something going on here. So we have first, so now pull back to the Fibonacci. What we have very beautiful W with breaking structure, with a beautiful retest, breaking highs, retest, breaking highs, retest, breaking highs, and now we get rejected. Good movements, but for the higher Fibonacci we get rejected, because the take profit 1, 2, 3 and 4 is very above here, and now the price is already back here. This shows us, you know, it's a weakness. Price is back here. Very similar. The first behavior what we see here is very beautiful W pattern with breaking retests and going higher. Here same thing, we have very beautiful W pattern, breaking retest, and price want to go higher. Maybe we have opportunities to go higher, but look at how the price get rejected, all those highs here. It's almost like turning around and start going lower. There's definitely something going on here, and that's the trend line what's going through that. So we have break, retest, and now we have structure break and retest here. So that's the next structure, equal lows. We have the breaking structure, and when price is now respecting the breaking structure, we're gonna go down with no doubts, because the you see how the price is showing the weakness. All those highs is getting rejected, and it's not strong highs, and price is just stuck in this area right now. And now we break today out here first time. Definitely something's going on. Something is going on definitely here. I remember when I was taking that sell here, I was thinking to actually sell this one back in that low, and my bigger picture was, when the price is gonna break that low, then the price is gonna go back in that low. But then I was much more reasonable, because the price is already showing some kind of, you know, inside the box, and then my take profit was in original lows, because if you look in the price, it was already in the box here, inside the box, and now the price is still all the time inside that box. Ooh. Look at this huge W here. It's so bad this thing didn't hold up, because if this W is gonna hold up, this movement's gonna be crazy. So we have to break this one here, first one, retest, and gone. But price didn't do it. Price was doing huge W here, and then reflecting the same huge W here, the huge W, and then just give up, break. It's so sad. and then we have bearish pattern, and the same how we started. We started with the bearish pattern and we ended with the bearish pattern. Beautiful. Oh, Bitcoin is going down, boys. Melting. Yeah, we have this nice little break and retest here. And the structure one too. We break under, retest, retest. Okay, I'm gonna finish the day. It's 55 minutes. What? Who gonna watch that? I'm pretty sure nobody. I'm 100% sure nobody's watching those videos. Too long. But that's the thing. Oh, what? Yep. It's gonna be complete now. Yeah, complete. The mirroring price was mirroring the movements. So now the mirror is complete, so price can do whatever now here. Again, patient and just patient because the move is done. The mirroring here it's done. But overall it is a very bearish one because the price can now do down and down. No problem. No problem. Okay, I'm gonna finish right now. Thank you every single one. Love, peace, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you and ciao.